father. Told him, Abram, how father to be father of many, and how many years did he wait for the promise? But God did give his word. Somebody said, I was talking to somebody earlier, and they said, I'm sick and I need healing, and I need healing now. I said, tell that to God. Well, take that as that's going to be your method of prayer. Take that to God. We all want to be healed now. And you make sure that you're just reaching in, and you keep reaching by faith, and you keep reaching. Now, you can give people instructions, and you can tell people things, but that doesn't mean that they'll actually apply them. And I'd love to entertain you now with a story on this, which is just a sidebar. It has nothing to do with the word deliverance or a lesson on deliverance. It's just a principle that God managed to put in my face, and I must learn by it at some point. I was invited to sit at a dinner, and this is last week or so, and I seldom, if ever, go to public places or dinner places. Somebody sounds very, very to myself, so I'm not socialite. I accepted. I did not know who was going to be there, and it was a full entourage of people I did not know, which is interesting. And the host of this event was very kind and very gracious, and took interest in asking some questions on certain subjects.